Hi, Karen. So just going over, you have a walker and that's great. And most people would settle with locomotion, but you're not. So what are the things you need to work on? Still vision. That binocular vision's got to kick in. I do not know. Her eyes did not seem abnormal. Who would throw bifocals on that at 2.5 when the script is reading on a normal range? The thing is, what I don't like about bifocals, and if you've ever worn them, I mean, and that's why I asked Felicia to chime in. One of my moms here, she's more than a mom, but she, her son just played tricks where he'd have to, even for an adult to learn how to do bifocals. It's really, I've tried it. The only way I can do bifocals if I like to do puzzles. In my spare time, I do puzzles. And I have an app I've been doing for years, and I do a puzzle. So if I'm in bed reading and watching TV, that is the only time I can handle a bifocal. But people that wear them, I mean, literally, like I would need to be here with my stuff trying to do it. And to have it be a child that you're having issues with, I just don't get it. I'd probably do very light intermittent patching to strengthen the eyes, because you want that distance. The whole thing about walking, guys, is you have to see far. Right? If I see, walking is like a motorcycle. Your bike's going to go where your eyes go. So if you look down, the bike's going down. Same thing too. Ooh, sparkly. I look at it and boom, the kid flops down or hits the knees or whatever, versus that long gaze. But the second big thing is the spine really is not crossing midline. These were the complications in crawling. These were the complications that you've seen throughout her development. But again, when I'm walking, right, that's what the spine is for. This is why people get constipated. This is why you go into organ issues, because the spine is meant to massage the whole inside of your body. So as you're doing these kind of movements, it's supposed to be here doing that. And what you're seeing is, again, is that and the feet have to do more work, and then the feet go in and out. So we need to strengthen the vision from the short to long vision to work on that. Convergence, light patching. I don't know about those bifocals. But I'm not the doctor who prescribed them, so that's another conversation. And then the spine crossing midline, that's where I would go with her. You're doing great, I get it. Don't settle, right? That's why you're here asking the questions. If you need any comments to feedback on that, by all means. Thanks. Amy, how are you? Everybody, Amy is Aaron's sister. So, Aunt Amy. But anyway, I'm Aunt Michelle. So, we take care of the kids when we can.